Okay, hello everyone. Today now let's look at question 28. So about question 28 is a kind of solid geometry question. And here we have a big cube and the edge length is just 4 centimeter. And after reading the question, we know we cut 3 cuboids from the cubes. And let's look like that. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 cuboid. And I put it out. Let's imagine what is the perspective drawing. So the perspective drawing is like that. And here is a cross shape inside the big cube. And after that, I can put this cross solid geometry figure out. It looks like that. Okay, here we need to calculate the surface of this toy. So how can I do it? Now let's look at the top view after we cut these 3 cuboids out. So it was like that. On the top view is a big square, but inside here is a 1 times 1 square. It's not inside it. So the surface is just the big square minus the smaller square. And about the cross solid geometry figure, it looks like a cross, but inside it in the middle is a 1 times 1 square, not concrete. So here we need to calculate the surface. So about figure 1, the surface is just 4 times 4 minus 1 times 1 equals to 15 centimeters square. And about the second figure, it's just each length is 4, and I cut 1 times 1 square, so the length should be 3. So actually the area of this one is just 4 times 1 minus 1 times 1 and times 2 equals to 6. And for one surface, we can know the total surface is just 15 plus 6. And remember, we have 6 faces of a cube, so the total surface area is just 15 plus 6 and then times 6 equals to 126. Okay, here is the method 1. So now let's look at another method. So still this figure, and we know that actually if we consider the whole cube without cutting 1 centimeter cuboid, so the area should be 4 times 4 times 6 equals to what? Equals to 16 times 6 equals to 96. So after that, let's look at the cross. We know after we cut this 3 cuboid, it will be a cross here. And the cross, the area is just 1 times 3, right? So how many 1 times 3 do we have? And each cuboid we have 4 surface, right? So actually we only we have 3 cuboids, so it's just times 4 and then times 3, so it's just 36, right? Also we need to think about what is the overlap. The overlap part is just the 6 smaller square, 1 times 1 square on the surface. And then what about the 6 smaller square area? It's just 1 times 1 times 6 equals to 6. After that, we are calculating the surface area. It's just 96 plus 36 and minus 6 equals to 126 centimeter square. Okay, here is this question. Maybe you need to think about how we can cut it and what is the perspective drawing of this figure. Okay.